Hey guys, Bradford here from Compiler Labs, and today I wanted to show you my latest programming language called DragonForge, and I wanted to show off a feature that I call program level recursion. Basically what it means is, imagine a program could call a program, could call a program, could call a program, but it's all the same program. It starts from like typical recursion. And just to prove that it runs, I have this little demo here. There's this make file which calls the executable and passes it the file to start with. And basically what it does is it pulls up this function called dragonforge.justrun one file, and I have it right here. And basically, if you take the time to read this, all it does is it packs the program input for the compiler. It compiles the code you give it. So in other words, the program you want to recurse. Does some error stuff. It'll set up the program and then run it. It'll get the results back from your program, and then we'll just do some cleanup. And I just wanted to show you guys a demonstration. So let's do, just to prove that it is recursing, I have a depth over here set to 5, and it calls just run one file, and then we give it the amount of times into the input that we want it to run just with that file. It will read that input right here, context and input recurse by, and then it's gonna print a message saying, hey, how deep did I just recurse, which is what you see down here in the terminal. And there's also here a check just to show, hey, do we need to do any more recursions? No. If not, if yes, more recursions. And then what it's going to do is it's going to call the same file function you just saw, called df.justrun one file. And if you'll notice, it's the same thing over here. And effectively, here, let me just show you. Let's just prove that it's recursion. Let's change this to 100. Hopefully it doesn't crash, but it shouldn't. Bam. Thanks for watching, guys.